Okay, we've learned a lot about products. I'm just going to touch on a couple more things. This is out of our Essentials line. This is our body sunscreen. It's SPF 30 and it's waterproof for 40 minutes. Just like this sunscreen and any other sunscreen, if you are going to be out in the sun all day, you need to reapply throughout the day. I'm on the boat on the weekends. Every time I get out of the water and dry off, I'm reapplying with my sunscreen. I've never been burned and have a great tan. Then we have our body moisturizer. I love this stuff. It does not feel thick, or it's not watered down like a lot of the lotions out there, and it's not greasy. Then we also have our foaming sunless tanner that I love. It's very light and it dries quickly. I use this in spring, fall, and winter. So these are essentials that I have in my bathroom. The reason I did join this business, I will let you know, is I wanted these tools and I wanted them at a discount. So this tool here is our MD roller. It has 192 little stainless steel micro needles, and you're just rolling that in 3 different directions, no longer than a minute. It's not to hurt or injure you. It's almost like aerating your yard. So we are moving those dead skin cells out of the way. And when we move those dead skin cells out of the way, this comes with our night serum. And there's little individual caplets full of retinol. And when retinol is exposed to the air, it kind of loses its magic. But we have it in little individual caplets. And that retinol can get down into the skin to work and do its magic. And used along with the regimen, you see amazing results fairly quickly. But also what we're doing when we injure the upper layer of the skin, the brain is getting a signal that it needs to repair. So it sends blood flow to the surface of the skin. And I'm telling you guys, those fine lines, any kind of scarring, acne scarring, it helps diminish those fine lines and scarring. So that's our MD roller. Another great product we have, it was on Forbes Most Innovative 2014 list. This is our Acute Care. Our Acute Care has 180 little liquid cones. It's full of peptides and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is found naturally occurring in the body and found in Botox. So this is a great alternative if you're not into the needle. But what we're doing, you clean your face, and then you dry it, and you put this on almost like a Band-Aid, and you're filling a wrinkle while you sleep. So like I said, a great alternative if you're not into the needles. So those are our products. If you have questions, please post below. I do have some exciting news. We have a special guest tonight, my dear friend Elizabeth Duggar. She is the one who introduced me to this business. I am so fortunate that she took time out of her life to take me to dinner and present this opportunity to me. And she saw something in me that I could do this business. If someone has talked to you about this business, please take it as a compliment, because they see something special in you, that you could work this business and really make a go of it and help change lives. But without further ado, let's hear from Elizabeth.